Happy Sabbath, boys and girls. Welcome to our children's message for today. Who remembers what our message was last week? Last week we talked about spring and the snow melting from winter and it transitioning into spring. And we talked about how God is making all things new for us and He's preparing a place for us in heaven. So for our message today, I have this instrument here. Does anyone know what this instrument is? This is a keyboard. And a keyboard can make sounds. It can make some notes. And sometimes, if you know how to play the keyboard, the sounds and the notes can actually sound beautiful. But if you don't know what you're doing, it doesn't sound so nice. Like, does this sound nice, you guys? Is that music? Does that sound nice at all? Would you want to hear that all day? Would you want to listen to this all day? I wouldn't. Was that a nice sound? I hope it sounded nice to you. That was actually pleasant. It sounded nice. Whereas before, it was just awful and you wouldn't want to listen to that all day, would you? And do you know, the Bible tells us in Psalm 133 verse 1 that it is good and pleasant for us to dwell in unity. What does that mean? It means that when we love each other, when we're kind, when we're respectful, when we treat each other nice the way that we would like to be treated, it's actually like music, pleasant music to God. It's nice for God. It's such a good thing when we love each other. But when we are mean, when we fight and argue, when we're disrespectful to our parents, when we don't love each other, we're selfish, we're not kind. You know what that sounds like? It sounds awful, like all that noise. Do you want to sound like noise to God? No, I don't. But do you want to sound like pleasant music to God? I know I do. So we gotta love, be kind, be respectful, and live in unity.